We got new Bluetooth headphones. They're magnet. They connect. That way they get less tangled, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of cool. They fit very nicely. They have other sizes. They're super comfortable, but they're kind of heavy. They're not something that I stop noticing them being there. They actually have pretty good noise control. So I don't know how they'll do in a super noisy environment, but I couldn't hear anything when I had them on. And they don't feel like they'll let very much noise in. They fit really well, and like I said, they have other sizes. The magnet is really fun to do. It had pretty good, I listened to music with it, and it had pretty good noise quality. I didn't feel like I was listening through bad headphones or anything. But yeah, they're pretty good. I need to learn what ANC does. I assume it's the noise canceling because the settings normal on transparency. So I assume it's noise cancellation, but I have no idea. But I like them. You can wear them around your neck. They're a necklace. And then I had it on the wrong way. Hold up. You can wear it around like a necklace. And then oh yeah. Easy. They have noise control or noise volume knobs, up and down, plus and minus. And you got a clicky button so that you can pause, accept calls, get up your whatever robot you use, depending on the phone you have. I have a problem with a lot of Bluetooth connects. They take forever to show up, and I have to like unconnect them and reconnect them like 7 times for them to work. But this connected really easily. It showed up, I clicked it, there was no hassle, it was super easy. I have an Apple phone. I obviously don't know what it'd be like on a Samsung, but yeah, it was easy to connect. I think these are pretty good. I highly suggest them. If you want a pair, you can get them in the link below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that. Do we have bells? Is that still a thing? Whatever. And make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed. I don't even know if this is going to end up on YouTube, but now it can be on YouTube. Bye! I think I said everything. Give me money by using the link in the description.